No, I was pretty young. I'm super grateful because I had this dream and I wanted to go pursue it, and I had parents who were totally down to support that. And both my parents are teachers, so my dad at the time, he basically became like my stage dad, you know? I don't know how many people know California very well, but it was like an 8-hour drive from where I'm from to LA. So we would drive up and back during the week sometimes for auditions, callbacks, whatever, until it was actually quite quickly that I got my Disney show when I was a kid. So I got, I got all the protection I needed, and then as I was growing, I got to do it nice and slow and nice and steady.